Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Toyota just revealed the all-new 9th generation Hilux, and this time, mas revolutionary na siya than ever. For the first time in history, legendary Hilux will come with a multiple powertrain options. Kasama na dito ang fully electric, hybrid, diesel, at kahit hydrogen version meron. The Toyota is calling this the Hilux for everyone. Aligned sa multiple FAT philosophy nila, meaning iba't ibang powertrain para sa iba't ibang market needs. First, the Hilux BEV or Battery Electric Vehicle. Ito ang unang fully electric Hilux at siya rin ang unang ilalabas this December 2025. The Hilux Hybrid 48B. Ito naman ang magiging main variant for Western Europe, offering better fuel efficiency and a smoother drive. Diesel at petrol version. Para naman ito sa mga Eastern European markets at sa mga lugar na mas prepare pa rin ang traditional engines. At ito naman ang pinaka-exciting. Hydrogen fuel cell electric Hilux. Confirmed na darating by 2028. Pagdating sa looks, the 9th generation Hilux takes inspiration from the new Land Cruiser. Top pero elegant. Mas robust ang stance, mas mataas ang ground clearance at may tinatawag silang top agile design philosophy. All variants will now come in double cab body style. May electric power steering at all-wheel drive across the lineup. So kahit saan mo dalhin, this truck is built to conquer. Inside, panalo pa rin. Mas modern, mas digital, fully updated ang user experience with a fully digital cockpit, improved infotainment, and Toyota's latest teammate safety and driver's assistance system. Mas refined ang material sa interior, a big upgrade in sensory quality para talagang feel mo yung premium side ng Hilux. The all-new Hilux will begin its global rollout with the battery electric version this December 2025. For us here in the Philippines, the Toyota Motor Philippines is expected to introduce the 9th generation Hilux by 2026, bringing the same top agile design, advanced tech, and multiple powertrain options, including hybrid and diesel versions. So kung naghihintay ka ng next level pickup na matibay at future ready, the wait is almost over. So ayun guys, the all-new 9th generation Toyota Hilux. Mas top, mas smart, at ready na for the electric future. Ano sa tingin nyo? Team diesel pa rin kayo o gusto nyo subukan ng electric o hydrogen version? Please comment down below. At syempre, please like, subscribe at i-click yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest car news at Hilux updates dito sa channel ko. Until next drive guys, bye-bye!